In this video, we're going to take a quick look at this car mount system. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video to show you what comes in the box and explain how to set it up. So first of all, you do get the car mount. You also get this mounting plate. I'll explain that in a second. You get your wet and dry wipes, and then you also get the installation guide here. And then for your phone, if you don't have a MagSafe phone or a MagSafe case, you can actually install this little metal piece on there. And this is the install guide for this ring. So that is nice that they've included all those things in the kit. So as far as the mount goes, first of all, this thing is super nice. It will adjust a lot of different ways. So you can see that there, a lot of different adjustabilities. And I'll just show you here a little bit up close. So you can do a lot of different things with it. You can turn it as well. And then once you put your phone on there, it's very stable, very sturdy with your phone on there. So to mount this, you want to take your dry wipe and your wet wipe. You want to wet wipe your car, and it says clean the surface area that you're going to put it on about 10 different times. So just clean it 10 times, make sure it's really, really nice and clean, and then let it dry and take the dry wipe, make sure it's completely dry. Wait just 10-15 seconds, and then you just want to take this off, and this is very sticky surface right here. So this whole thing is pretty sticky, and then stick that to your dash or wherever you're going to mount it in your car. And then once you do that, you'll see a little lock and unlock here, and you just want to lock that down, and it's going to act like a suction cup and just pull, just pull it all up together and suction onto there as well as sticky. So it's kind of like 2-in-1, a sticky and a suction cup all together. Now, it did say that if for some reason, if this first installation method doesn't work out properly, then you can take this flat piece here, and there's a little film on the back. You can just peel this off, and then this is also sticky, and you can stick that on there and then mount this onto the top. That may give you a little bit better results, just depending on the surface of your car. But this, I'm telling you, this is pretty sticky. It should work just fine for you. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of everything that comes in the box and a little bit explanation of how to install it.